이곳은 연금을 관리하는 투자회사 로크밀 캐피탈.
Hello?
Hey, it's Donny. Where are you?
The loo, I've got nosebleed. What do you want, Donny?
I'm in reception with Myrtle Clark.
거래 이행팀에 자라는 오늘 첫 출근한 인턴 머트를 맞이합니다.
We're a fiduciary pension fund manager, which means organisations give us their pension money to invest. This is us. That is the investment committee. This is it. Trade processing.
자라의 동료 루크도 머트를 맞이하죠. 그런데 그때 뭔가 부자연스러운 얼굴을 한 사람들이 로크밀 앞에 모이기 시작하고
Phone jammers on.
Level 27. Doors opening.
Disconnect the call now.
이들은 능숙하게 건물의 보안을 해제하고
Ladies and gentlemen, if you do exactly what I say when I say it, you won't get hurt. If you have any communication devices on you, phones, tablets, I want you to take them out.
I need to put your devices in this grey bin, one by one.
통신기계를 빼앗고 회의실에 사람을 모으는 무장강도들.
Hey, you fire that off in here, and everyone will hear it from the 5th floor to the 10th. You're not stupid enough to shoot that in here.
We don't have to fire our guns to kill you with them. Keep moving.
Move! Right, everybody on the floor. Keep your hands above your head so I can see them.
Antenna up on the satellite phone. Anyone in the trade processing team, stand up. Why'd you tell her to sit down?
It's her first day. She's an intern.
You've got access to the trading system. What about the rest of you? Who's the most senior?
And that's me.
You two, come here.
강도들은 자라와 루크를 자리에 앉히고는
This has got the details of 6 trades on it. Source accounts, destination accounts, sizes. I want you to load them all up into the trading system.
루크는 순순히 강도가 건네준 계좌를 확인하는데
This is over £4 billion. These are people's pensions. This is social workers, police, doctors.
Enter the trades.
Shit.
자라와 루크가 당혹감을 감추지 못하던 그때 뒤늦게 출근한 직원들이 로비로 들어섭니다.
Get caught in traffic too.
Our time zone.
I'm late for the bloody investment committee.
Level 27. Doors opening.
Incoming.
Where's Donny?
I'm not sure. Temp agency sent me.
Phones. Now.
Get on your knees.
That's all done. It's loading.
Commit the trades.
I can't.
Commit them. Trades have gone through.
Everyone with authorization to sign off trades, raise your hands. The system needs 3 people to sign off a trade. We need to approve them all and send them along.
Now, hang on a second. That's people's pensions.
What's your name?
George Cartwright.
Now tell me, George Cartwright, would you say it's an intelligent man who argues of an intruder holding a semi-automatic assault weapon?
No. Approve the trades.
You're next. Right, we need one more of you. How about the afternoon shift?
단 한 번의 클릭으로 8조 원이라는 거액의 연금이 통째로 강탈될 상황.
All done here. Trade should be pinging back to you now.
Received. Trades have been approved.
Trades have been sent to the custodian bank.
I know that we've never sent money to those accounts before, so they're going to call and ask what's going on.
Now you'll be here to tell them.
Doors opening.
Where's Donny?
Oh, I don't know. I just got sent by the temp agency.
Here's your morning's post and parcels and assorted bollocks. All right. See you later.
Doors closing.
그때 수탁은행으로부터 전화가 오는데
The custodian bank's on the line. When that rings, I want you to answer, put it on the speaker. I want you to assure them that all the trades are legit.
전화를 받아야 하는 루크는 극도의 긴장감에 울음을 터뜨리고 마는데
All right, Warren. Luke has just nipped to the loo. You all right?
Yeah? You all right?
Yeah. I'm just, it's just getting old, you know. These fucking hangovers.
I just got the trade you guys sent through. I've never seen these accounts before. BVI, right? What are they?
Some new hedge funds we're getting into.
Pretty big amounts for new hedge fund investments. 4 billion.
You know what Cartwright's like. I mean, price management fees for seed capital. He's all over it.
That's Cartwright. You got all the AML in order?
Yeah. Listen, I was supposed to send these over yesterday, but we sort of left early for the pub. But if they don't go through ASAP, I'm going to be in some... So if you could please just put them through as soon as you put the phone down, please.
We're all good. I'll put them through today.
Okay, bye. That's it. He's sending them over. You can go now.
We're not leaving till we see the money arrive in our account.
That could take hours.
Hey, wait.
8조 원 연금이 증발되기까지 남은 시간은 단 몇 분. 도니가 조심스럽게 강도들의 동태를 살피더니 건너편 건물 사람들에게 신호를 보내기 시작하고
Out the way.
Did anyone in the other building see you? Someone saw you. Tell me now. Did someone see you? Said no one saw.
You believe him?
No, he was lying. 2 minutes in Sakoya, mate. If I'm right, we need to leave now.
Or we abort and the trade might not go through.
We need to make a decision.
We might have to abort.
Abort? Are you fucking nuts? What if they call back?
The plan was, if a message gets out, we abort.
Burley, run a check on the building opposite for activity.
예상대로 건너편 건물에서 이쪽의 모든 움직임을 예의주시하고 있었죠.
3 people were at the window.
They're watching us. They spotted me.
It's already 4 minutes since they saw.
Wait.
Money's been transferred.
Lock and leave, now.
강도들은 사람들을 모아둔 회의실 문을 잠가버리고 차분하게 현장을 빠져나갑니다. 그렇게 로크밀 직원들은 안전하게 풀려났고
What do you think they're talking about?
Probably how much shit the company's in. Whether they'll need us all to sign NDAs.
Miss Dunn, I'm DCI Reese Kovac. I thought I'd come over and say hello. Should we pop next door?
자라를 따로 불러낸 리스 경감.
You interacted with the thieves more than everybody else, so whatever you can tell us will be invaluable.
Yeah, sure.
I heard what you did, taking a phone call from the bank. It's brave, it's smart. I think maybe you saved a few lives. You did the right thing. You having a nosebleed?
Do you mind if I go to the toilet to
Yeah.
my notes?
Sure, of course.
You're all going nuts. You didn't see them.
Hi. So what happened?
Just what I said. Adam is the clients that they're worried about.
So what then?
Isn't it obvious? They're worried it was an inside job.
Inside job?
They know everything about our operation. Our protocols, how our trade management system works, investment committee sign off custody bank, all of it. And someone must have told them.
So you think it's one of us?
4 billion though, split what, 8-9 ways? It's $500 million each, wouldn't you?
Yeah, whoever turns up tomorrow in a Ferrari.
Or doesn't turn up at all.
순식간에 뒤바뀐 표정. 그녀의 입가에 묘한 미소가 번지기 시작하고 날이 채 밝기도 전 눈을 뜨자마자 자라가 향한 곳은 컴퓨터 앞이었습니다. 자신의 암호화폐 지갑을 확인하는데 지갑에 들어온 돈을 본 자라는 곧바로 하드웨어 지갑으로 돈을 옮겨 담고 출근 전 하드웨어 지갑을 숨겨놓습니다.
Wore gloves the entire time. And as we know, they all wore prosthetics, so our facial recognition software is completely useless. They took public transport, and then they split up, and then they all disappeared into camera black spots. The level they're operating at, the professionalism, ex-army, ex-special services.
그때 경찰서로 들어온 한 남자.
I'm Darren Yoshida, your financial investigator.
You should have been here yesterday afternoon.
Was assigned the case an hour ago, came straight here.
An hour ago?
Yeah.
그 시각 회사에 출근한 자라는
We need to talk.
루크를 따로 불러냅니다.
5 million? What are you doing? They said 100 grand.
Luke, you need to check your account. You need to take the crypto from your account, put it on the cold wallet offline.
You realise that they've done this, so it looks like we were involved.
We were involved, okay? Just because they said it was going to be a hack and that we only had to give our login details.
The detectives from yesterday are here conducting a few follow-up interviews. They asked if they could speak with you. I'll see you both at the trauma counseling session later.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, can't wait for that.
Don't admit anything, okay?
그렇게 리스와 면담을 시작하는 루크.
This is Darren Yoshida. He's an accredited financial investigator. Prior to the police, Darren was an investment manager in the city.
Technical questions, if that's all right. The 4 billion in your... Do you usually have that much sitting in cash?
No, it was just we were doing a portfolio rebalancing.
You do that often?
Probably every couple of years.
So the thieves just happened to strike on a single week in the last 3 years that you've had the money sitting in cash?
I guess so, yeah.
잘하는 마음이 약한 루크가 불어버릴까 걱정이 됩니다.
It just happened to be an investment committee meeting the morning of the robbery.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Is there anything you want to tell us? We can protect you, Luke.
Yeah, that's everything. Cheers. Sorry.
Todd.
I'll talk to the super about surveillance.
No, I think no. They've got this finance guy, this expert in there.
No. Keep your voice down. You two coming to the trauma thing? Yeah, we'll be along in...
그렇게 단체 상담에 참여한 자라와 루크.
Luke, what about you?
I'm still feeling pretty traumatized. I feel scared to go outside, knowing that they're still on the street. I feel like none of us are safe anymore. I don't know about you lot, but I don't feel safe.
루크는 굉장히 불안한 모습이었고
I don't know that I'll ever feel safe again.
자라는 여전히 그런 루크가 걱정됩니다.
Just remember, tomorrow morning, call in sick with stress, and you already announced to half the company how distressed you are. Keep your head down. Don't call me.
그녀가 루크에게 거듭 주의를 주고 집으로 향하던 그 시각, 리스는 국장을 찾아가는데
Darren Yoshida, a financial investigator. You should have been assigned within 2 hours of us making the request. Instead,
We were trying to get you the best there is. There are more important things going on here than you're aware of.
국장에게서 뭔가 이상함을 느낀 리스. 얼마 뒤 데런은 강도들이 돈을 이체한 계좌 정보를 알아냅니다.
Willemstad Bank and Trust, British Virgin Islands.
It's a private bank in a notorious tax haven.
You can't take money out of someone's account in another country.
게다가 외교적인 방법 없이는 계좌를 동결할 수도 없는 상황.
Please be quick. The money won't stay there long.
한편 집에 돌아온 루크는 자신이 감시당하고 있다는 걸 눈치채고 옷장 속으로 들어가 암호화폐 지갑을 확인해 봅니다. 그 시각 자라는 미리 숨겨두었던 하드웨어 지갑을 꺼내 들고 곧장 엄마를 찾아갑니다.
Got me thinking about fixing things between us.
It's nice to know I made it onto the to-do list.
Why do you have to get and twist everything around?
사이가 좋아 보이지 않는 자라와 엄마. 엄마가 보지 않는 사이 자라는 예전 자신의 방으로 향하고 하드웨어 지갑을 은밀한 곳에 숨겨놓습니다.
What the fuck are you doing?
Came to use the loo and...
What, you got nostalgic?
자라는 다시 집으로 돌아가고 뉴스를 듣던 엄마는
Police confirmed earlier today that the amount stolen from the pensions manager was in excess of £4 billion.
한편 퇴근한 리스는 한 식당 뒤편으로 들어가는데
Evening, Jimmy. Busy tonight?
Have a good night.
리스는 도박 중독자였습니다.
Hey, Luke.
It's the cold wallet. I've done the transfer, but I can't go outside to stash it. I can't hide it in here because of the bugs.
What bugs? What are you talking about?
I think they're watching me, Sarah. I think they bugged my flat. I have to call the police.
No. Do not call the police. Stay where you are. I'm gonna come over, okay?
Yeah. I'll find the cameras. Yeah. I'll wait for you. I'll find.
Go and lie down and try to take your mind off.
Told you it was going to get worse. We need to take him out now. We're good to go.
Copy that. Moving now. Pizza delivery.
I didn't order anything.
You're number 48.
Yeah, I didn't order anything.
Fuck's sake, this is the third time this week. Look, listen, brother. Do you want the pizzas for a tip? I'll just be throwing them away otherwise.
He's inside. Go.
배달부로 위장한 강도 하나가 먼저 들어가 문을 열어주고 나머지 강도들도 경찰의 눈을 피해 루크가 사는 건물 안으로 진입합니다.
I'll like you to it and run.
I'm running, Jimmy. I'm strolling. Is your car badge?
Yes, look, I don't want to talk about it on the phone. Can you come here?
Meantime, stay inside, stay safe. See you in a bit.
That gives us 7 minutes.
리스일 리가 없는 상황. 루크는 무기가 될 만한 걸 챙겨 문 쪽으로 향합니다.
Food delivery, hello?
루크가 대답이 없자 자라가 집 근처에 도착한 바로 그 순간 루크는 감시를 피해 필사적인 탈출을 시도합니다. 필사적으로 도망치는 루크와 그의 뒤를 쫓는 강도 하나. 자라는 다른 사람이 들어가는 틈을 타 건물 안으로 들어가고 무슨 일이 생겼음을 직감한 자라는 몸을 숨깁니다. 그렇게 루크는 강도들에게 끌려가고 그 자리에서 얼어붙은 자라는 속수무책으로 지켜볼 수밖에 없었습니다. 자라는 루크와 강도들이 몸싸움을 벌인 곳으로 가보는데 강도 중 한 사람의 지문이 묻은 병을 발견합니다. 그때 루크의 집 앞에 도착한 리스.
You gonna tell me how you're involved?
I wasn't involved.
Yesterday, during the robbery, you took the call and saved the day. And tonight, you're at it again.
Called me up.
Did he offer you a share?
No.
Did you see anyone when you were inside the building?
자라는 리스에게 거짓 증언을 내뱉고 리스는 그녀를 강하게 의심하지만 이를 입증할 증거가 없었죠.
Someone will call you tomorrow to take your statement.
It wasn't your fault, you know, Reese. It was the surveillance team that fucked up. About Zara, to get a read on her.
Yeah, she's involved.
Could be she's involved. Well, she's just an office worker whose life is so pointless just to get wasted every weekend just to bear it.
집에 돌아온 자라는 강도를 당하기 며칠 전 일을 떠올립니다.
So, did they not piss you off? Investment committee dickheads.
They're not all dickheads. Milo's all right.
£1 million a year. Basic with a 100% guaranteed bonus. Meanwhile, we're sitting there processing all their bullshit trades, and what do we get for it?
100 grand.
루크는 자라에게 제안을 받았다 말하는데
Who just happen to be playing the same online game as you, just happen to mention that they're interested in hacking a pension fund.
Because all they want to do is just get some info to hack our accounts. They said they're only going to do it with 2 people. I'm going to do it.
하지만 자라는 그런 위험한 도박에 발을 들이고 싶지 않았습니다.
You know what you're going to turn out like? Your mum.
Fuck you. I'm going in on Monday. I'm going to change teams. I'm going to get put on track for an investment role.
No, because they don't see what I see with a psychology degree from a second-rate uni who has never, ever showed any
그
ambition.
말에 분노한 자라는 출근하자마자 곧장 부서 이동을 요청하지만
Well,
It's for those reasons they think I'm best suited to a continued role in the back office.
냉혹한 현실을 마주한 자라는 루크와 손을 잡고 위험한 판에 뛰어들기로 합니다.
One condition. I want to meet them in person. Otherwise, I'm not getting involved.
MI5.
어찌된 영문인지 리스의 수사팀에는 영국 보안기관 요원인 샘이 새롭게 합류했고 자라는 현장에 남겨진 유일한 단서인 약병에서 지문을 채취하려 하는데 한편 돈봉투를 든 리스는 누군가를 찾아갑니다.
20 grand.
I want the rest in a week or I'm selling you loan.
Come on, Matt.
No, and you can take your chances with the kind of people who buy these kind of debts.
도박 중독이었던 그는 사채 빚에 허덕이고 있었죠.
What have you got?
Clean as a whistle. Same as all the other back office staff. The investment committee, which makes sense considering the amount they're paid.
How much?
They could earn $1 million a year. Same again in bonuses. One's there in the bullpen. Zara looks bit 30, 40 grand annual.
How's it going with the stolen money?
Maybe we could bypass them.
Go on.
Well, there are these databases online. All the leaked offshore account details are. I could cross-check our accounts with the ones online. See if anything pings.
Which type were you when you worked in the city?
Investment committee. Part of why I quit.
The massive wages.
I prefer what I do now, Reese. Means I can look at myself in the mirror.
Do it. What you suggested.
자라가 지문 채취에 필요한 도구들을 사들고 귀가하던 그때
Zara?
경찰이 찾아옵니다.
you drink? No, nothing, thanks.
그녀는 경찰들의 시선이 닿지 않도록 지문이 묻은 약병부터 숨겼고
And when you arrived, you had your head up. Oh, it was cold. It was quite mild, I thought. No?
현장에서 목격한 사람은 없다며 태연이 거짓 진술까지 늘어놓는데
You sure you want to submit this as your statement? It's part of your record and lawyers can use it in court.
No, yeah, it's fine.
Okay. My God. She's so fucking guilty.
I'm not so sure.
Are you serious?
Look, maybe she's involved, but she's not the angle here. We've got her inside man. That's who we focus on.
So the surveillance request?
We don't need it.
한편 자라는 강도들과의 첫 만남을 회상합니다.
So, this is just a get-to-know meeting, all right?
No one's gonna know you had anything to do with it. No one's gonna get hurt.
Why aren't you guys wearing masks or disguises or anything?
The point of this meeting was to get to know each other. We couldn't do that if we turn up in disguises, could we?
Like I said, no one's gonna get hurt, especially not one of us.
Like I said, have a think. In the meantime, it's probably best if we leave one by one.
Okay.
택시에 올라탄 그때 건물에서 걸어 나오는 강도 중 한 명의 모습이 포착됩니다.
When it moves, can you follow it?
숨을 죽인 채 시작된 추적 끝에 남자가 한 외딴 창고 건물에 들어가는 걸 목격합니다. 자라가 약병의 지문을 채취하며 범인의 정체에 한 발 다가서고 리스는 그녀의 엄마를 찾아갑니다.
So you think my daughter stole £4 billion?
Not exactly.
Right, so why are you here?
I'm worried about her. She's mixed up with some dangerous people.
The jaded office worker, stumbling through life like it's not eating her up inside. Intelligence and frustration. You asked me if my daughter could have been involved in a heist, if she set her mind to it. Problem is, she never sets her mind to anything. Wants everything to be settled and calm and safe.
And why's that?
How else would she be with a mother like me?
She's been acting differently recently.
I wouldn't know. She broke off all contact a few months ago.
When was the last time you saw her?
I haven't seen her in months.
리스까지 다녀가자 엄마는 자라의 방으로 향했고 리스는 대런으로부터 결정적인 조사 결과를 보고받는데
These accounts are where the money's been sent.
Gould Simmons. The Gould Simmons?
Yeah.
Someone stole £4 billion worth of pensions and sent it to the offshore accounts of an arms dealer.
Using the money to buy arms.
And why the fuck have Gould Simmons got accounts in some no-name bank in the British Virgin Islands?
These are the kinds of accounts used to pay bribes.
Slush fund accounts.
We take it upstairs or we sit on it.
We take it upstairs, they'll sit on it. Maybe we leak it ourselves.
경찰서에 돌아온 리스는 또 한 가지 충격적인 사실을 보고받습니다.
Fitch came with me to take Zara Dunn's statement. She's totally involved, Reese. But we get outside and Fitch says she's probably not involved. And he's going to talk to Nichols about turning down our surveillance request. Whatever Fitch is up to, Nichols is involved too, no? They don't want us going near her. He basically told me she's off limits.
I'll take care of it.
MI5가 수사를 방해하려는 정황. 그 시각 자라는 강도들의 은신처로 예상되는 외딴 창고로 향합니다. 창고와는 어울리지 않는 전자기기들이 보이고 자라는 CCTV에 지문 묻은 병을 보여줍니다.
Is what you're doing here?
It's evidence on the desk. Could have given it to the cops, but I brought it here to you.
It's all you get this address.
I just wanted to come here and tell you that you can trust me.
I say it's all you get this address!
Promise.
자라는 건물 밖으로 도망치지만 자신을 뒤쫓는 차량을 눈치채고 강도들의 추적을 따돌리고 겨우 도주하는 데 성공한 자라는 돈을 되찾기 위해 급히 엄마에게 전화를 겁니다.
I was just thinking about popping over.
My dear, I'm on a night shift tonight.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, come round tomorrow.
Is my investigation being set up to fail? Someone's pressuring you.
누군가 엿듣고 있음을 직감한 국장은 그를 데리고 사무실 밖으로 나가는데
They're threatening me. Find a reason to excuse yourself from the case. I cannot guarantee that whoever's in charge of this case will come out of it in one piece, especially someone like you.
Someone like me.
A man with debts.
Is this why I was picked for this? To be the fall guy?
Resign the case. It's the only way you're going to survive this.
사건의 배후가 생각보다 거대하다는 사실을 깨닫던 그 시각 자라는 엄마의 집으로 향합니다.
I thought you were at work.
Yeah, and I thought you were coming round tomorrow. Not up there anymore. I'm not stupid, Zara. So I looked up what a cold wallet is. Spent all afternoon researching it. So how much is on it?
If you read up, then you would know that you can't get into it without my password.
And your passwords are worthless without the cold wallet.
What do you want?
Storage fees.
Get out of the country. I can't do it without the money, so I need it. So
Really bitten off more than you can chew, haven't you? Come on, how much is on it? You could at least...
5 million.
5? Wow. For a very reasonable 20% storage fees.
Mum, you're not getting £1 million. Well, because you have done so much to earn my trust.
Don't fucking get all high and mighty with me, Zara. You've been doing it since you were a kid and I'm fucking sick of it. Just go home, calm down, give me a call in a few days.
You don't get it, Mum. After tonight, I won't be alive in a few days.
그렇게 지갑도 못 찾고 집으로 돌아오는 자라. 그런데 누군가 자라를 쫓고 있습니다. 겨우 몸을 숨긴 그때
I was trying to reason with them, give them a peace offering. Fuck!
Who's them?
Thieves.
Zara, that wasn't a thief trying to pick you up back there.
Who else would it be?
It was MI5.
Why would MI5 want to abduct me?
They want to know what you know.
Interview me. They could talk to me.
Yeah, they could. Or they could go in heavy.
How did you know they were going to be at my flat?
I wanted to put you under surveillance. MI5 blocked it.
Why would they?
You're a criminal, Zara. You did steal that money, right? You and your mates?
They're not my mates. I met them through Luke. I just gave them some info, that's all. They said it was for a hack. I didn't know what they were gonna do, okay? I swear.
자라의 진심을 확인한 리스는 사실을 털어놓습니다.
I figure we've got common enemy. Maybe we team up. Help each other out. We put them behind bars, they can't come after you.
Yeah, but then I've still got MI5 to deal with.
Thieves are in prison, MI5 don't need your info.
What's in it for you?
If I catch the people who did this, my investigation hasn't failed.
So you're using me.
You're using me.
서로 협력하기로 뜻을 모은 두 사람. 자라는 리스를 데리고 강도들의 은신처였던 창고 건물로 향합니다.
Anything happens, press the horn. It'll just be a couple of minutes.
건물 안으로 들어가는 리스. 이미 건물 안은 텅 비어 있었고 자라는 차에서 리스의 지갑을 발견합니다. 그때 건물 주차장에 들어서는 의문의 차량.
Open the door!
Did you find anything?
Place was bleached, floor to ceiling.
So what do we do now?
Find you somewhere to stay, preferably near Lockmill. The money to be stolen had to be moved out of investments and into cash. It wasn't you or Luke who did that.
You think someone on the investment committee was involved?
Who would have made the decision to move the investments into cash?
Cartwright's the chief investment officer, but they have these committee meetings where they all vote on strategy.
Do you think you could, gain?
I mean, why don't you just go in there and confiscate the drives?
If the drives end up at our data lab, MI5 find out. Stick to cash, try not to use your phone outside of work.
The meeting notes. Cartwright is fucking useless with technology. So Dahlia, his PA, keeps a list of them on her computer. Maybe I can sneak the passwords.
리스는 자라에게 호텔방을 얻어주고
Before I took the vial back to the warehouse, took an impression of the fingerprint. You think you can use it without MI5 finding out?
Yeah, I think so.
Night.
다음 날 모처에 은신 중이던 강도들은 CCTV에 찍힌 자라의 모습을 확인합니다.
Anybody want to tell me how she got hold of it?
He knocked the syringe. I had to reload.
And you left a vial there with your fingerprint.
She knows the address of the office. If she knows about that, what else does she know about?
There's one way to find out.
Your friend, what does she know?
I didn't tell her anything. I told her what I was supposed to.
How did she know about the office?
Office. I don't know. Just don't kill me.
Can we trust her?
같은 시각, 리스는 자라가 채취한 지문을 들고 감식반 동료를 찾아가는데
I could run it for overnight as a testing sample. We'll have to wait, but it won't set off any alarm bells.
리스는 여전히 빚 독촉에 시달렸고 출근한 자라는 트라우마를 핑계로 자리를 바꿔달라고 요청하고 계획대로 출장 중인 카트라이트의 방을 배정받게 되죠.
Who are they selling your debt to?
리스는 사채 빚을 갚기 위해 삼촌을 찾아가 은행 대출을 부탁하는데
I'll see what I can do with the loan. I'm 99% certain it's a no.
And us finding the abduction vehicle. Right in the middle of 100 hectares of farmland, there's a 4-mile square camera black spot.
창문 너머로 국장과 샘이 다투는 소리가 들려옵니다.
What are you arguing about?
We know where the money is. Gould Simmons.
How'd you know?
We had a call from the Times.
리스와 데런이 모의한 대로 언론에 그 사실이 알려진 것이었죠.
You two are taking Darren with you to interview Gould. Find out what he knows, get the money back, and tread carefully. He could have every one of us sacked.
리스는 샘, 데런과 함께 곧바로 무기회사 CEO인 굴드에게 향하고
Must have something who's behind this. You're claiming you know nothing about how that money landed in your account.
Of course I don't bloody know. What about you? You're the MI5 man. You got anything?
Nothing, I'm afraid, Sir Toby.
Who's this?
This is Darren Yoshida. He's a senior financial investigator attached to our economic crime department.
You got a fucking accountant on this?
Aside from assisting you in any way that we can, was to ask for access to the account statements in question.
No chance.
Rest assured, Sir Toby, any
Not
documents you
fucking happening. I'm not going to just...
Sir Toby, unfortunately, the stolen money is no longer in our accounts. It was moved on just 10 minutes after it arrived, most likely via a hack of some kind.
Someone hacked into your account and moved the money out.
We just don't have the money anymore to return.
In that case, you definitely need to give us a statement.
You can't
With the money
tell.
gone, it's going to look like you were responsible. Ministry of Defence might start putting their contracts. Your stock price will take a hit, that's for sure.
These documents are protected under the Official Secrets Act.
No, they're not. They're statements from secret accounts you use to pay illegal bribes. We already know that. It's going to be all over the news in the next couple of days. You might as well just let us have the statements.
I'm not going to be talked down to by some fucking loser accountant.
I'm not actually an accountant. I am a chartered financial analyst, a chartered alternative investment analyst, and a certified financial risk manager. There are fewer than 100 triple charter holders in the world. I earned the designation while working as a risk manager for Greencrest Capital. By the time I left, we built up the AUM at just under $25 billion. I do draw the line at weapons of mass destruction, but apart from that, we're quite similar. For one, my kids go to the same school as yours, although mine actually passed the entrance exams.
Get the fuck out of my sight.
결국 별 소득 없이 나오게 된 세 사람.
Can you make any bloody sense of this?
Not without the account statements.
You're a multi-millionaire.
Free to find me however you want.
그때 이들을 따라 나온 굴드의 자문 변호사.
And I'll arrange for the statements to be delivered via our secure document service. There's also something else that you should know. When the pensions money was moved out of the account, he also took all of the money that was already sitting in those accounts. Well, technically, he didn't have any money in those accounts.
How much?
147 million.
한편 자라는 비서에게서 카트라이트 컴퓨터의 비밀번호를 알아내려 합니다.
He's got 10 minutes for shit. Are you okay? It's come over nauseous. Something to eat. Okay.
I was just looking at Kara's calendar while you were gone.
그 시각 루크는 강도들의 일거수일투족을 살피며 기회를 엿보고 있습니다.
No changes to the plan?
We stay here in case there are any more clean-up jobs. Then we get the all clear, we get the money and leave.
If it was me that hired us, I'd have us all hide out together too. And when the time was right, I'd wipe us all out in one go.
하지만 다른 강도들은 별 반응이 없었고
Fuck this.
그날 밤 모두 퇴근하길 기다렸던 자라는 카트라이트의 컴퓨터에 접속하고 투자위원회의 회의록을 찾아봅니다.
Hello?
ECI Reese Kovac. I was just wondering if you're free to answer some questions.
You want to come by?
리스가 도착하자 자라는 누군가 보유 자산을 급히 현금화한 정황이 담긴 보고서를 꺼내 보입니다.
That's the report. Look at the names.
Kate, Milo, and Lena.
Lena went back to Poland about 3 months ago. Milo or Kate? Milo's a bit of an idiot. But Kate, she checks every report that goes out. So if there's a mastermind at Lockmill, it's Kate.
Can you figure out if the numbers are fake?
I'll start running risk numbers then. How risky would it be if we went out for some food?
I might know somewhere private.
같은 시각 불만에 가득 찬 강도 한 명이 루크의 저녁 식사를 들고 오는데
I think you're right. Them not making your home around here. It's dodgy as fuck. I need you more than they do, and I've already been paid.
리스는 사설 카지노가 딸린 식당으로 자라를 데려갑니다.
What the fuck is up with this place?
It's not illegal to run a private poker game in the UK. Or to gamble.
When was the first time you knew I was lying?
That night at Luke's. It was the circumstances, not what you said. You're actually a pretty decent liar, a strategist.
You make a good poker player.
Don't think so. Too risk averse.
You got involved in a giant heist.
I wouldn't have done it if I'd known the risk.
That's the trick when you're playing poker. If you're worried about losing, you play badly, then you'll lose.
Nah, I've never really known what to do with my life.
Must be hard not knowing what you want to do. Maybe that's why you got involved in the heist. And now you're in the middle of it, and you're coping with it. So why did you do it?
Because they offered me $100 grand, because I'm a dickhead. And they never paid me anyway, so I did all for nothing.
You would have thought with how much they stole, they'd have paid you something.
Story of my life.
You're not stupid, Zara. You're smart, and capable, resourceful. I'm not the only one who thinks it.
Who else is on Team Zara?
Your mum.
You talk to my mum. She's a twat. What did she say?
Well, but you're too scared to put yourself out there because...
Oh, wow.
Look, I can't imagine what it must have been
All
like
right,
growing up with them.
I'm going.
I'm not defined by the fact that my mum is a narcissistic dickhead. I fuck up on my own terms.
Zara, you're not a fuck...
다음 날 출근한 리스는 의도적으로 직원들과 거리를 두기 시작합니다.
Is he always this elusive?
The stress.
Lots of upside too, though, for the right person.
자라는 보고서에 있는 위험 수치 시뮬레이션을 돌려보는데 기다리며 점심을 먹으려던 그 순간
Do you mind? There's nowhere free. The man sitting to your right has got a syringe in his left hand. Syringe has got a toxin in it that will see you dead in 10 minutes. Will look like a coronary.
You're MI5.
When the two men next to you rise, you're gonna rise too. And you're gonna get into the taxi that's waiting across the road.
그렇게 어디론가 향하던 그때
Zara, how about we go for a walk?
자라를 끌고 온 건 MI5의 국장이었고 MI5는 이미 모든 것을 파악하고 있었습니다. 자라가 리스와 공조 중이라는 사실도 그녀가 결정적인 정보를 쥐고 있다는 사실도 말이죠.
We're your best option, so please tell us what you know.
I want a deal.
Oh no, you're not in a position.
I think someone else was involved at Lockmill. I don't know yet.
Fuck's sake.
But I'm working on it. And in return, I want to stay out of prison and keep my money.
New name, new passport, new history, new future.
What's the catch?
Well, firstly, you can't stay in the country. Secondly, what you give us can't be chicken feed. And thirdly, give it to us alone, not to your...
국장은 지금 철저히 속고 있다며 그녀에게 리스의 비밀을 폭로하는데
He's a gambling addict. Did you know that? Fucking massive debts. The kind you do anything to pay off. You get what I mean?
그 시각 루크에게 다시 찾아온 강도.
Start talking.
Okay, I have 5 million. Help me escape, and we split it 2 ways.
2.5 million's not gonna cut it.
For 5 million.
You're never gonna give me all your money.
I'm not offering you my 5 million.
Zara.
Why was the money moved to Gould's accounts? For paying bribes to psychopath dictators in return for promises to buy weapons of mass destruction.
How'd you get my address?
We left your driver's license in the car the other night. How big of a problem is your gambling?
Why do you think I'm in debt? What do you care? I'm not interested in your money. I'm not playing you.
But you are in debt.
Yes.
How much?
Just under 100 grand. And I have a week to pay it off.
If I gave you the money, would you take it?
Yeah.
So you were lying before when you said you weren't after my money?
No, I'm in debt. That is not why I'm doing this.
There's something else.
All I've got is my job. If I lose it, I'll have nothing but poker tables. That's why I'm doing this. Save myself from myself.
자라는 리스가 거짓말을 하는 것 같진 않다고 느끼고
I'm sorry about just now. I'm sorry if I'm doing your head in.
You're not. I'm glad you came round.
Really?
God knows why, but I like spending time with you.
그렇게 공조 이상의 관계로 발전한 두 사람.
What is it?
I sent over some possible matches. Have a look through. I'll put the catalogue.
Yeah.
사진을 보던 자라의 눈에 익숙한 얼굴이 보입니다. 잠시 뒤 어수선한 사무실에 출근한 리스.
It's been another leak. The money's turned up in some dodgy offshore accounts linked to a family trust set up by the Chancellor.
I need to talk to you about something. You've been running risk modeling software. Like, what are you playing at?
I need to run risk reports, and half the office is on leave, so I'm just taking the initiative.
Well, every time you run a simulation, the app generates millions of regression, and no one else can run anything. I was getting complaints all yesterday until I figured out what was going on.
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't know. How did you know I was running risk simulation?
Well, every time a simulation's run, the server logs the details.
Okay, so where can I find the logs?
Well, there's a menu item on the toolbar. Yeah, it's got the word logs.
자라는 곧바로 시뮬레이션 기록을 찾아보고 40억이라는 거액이 도난당할 수 있도록 현금화한 배우는 다름 아닌 마일로였습니다.
Milo, I saw the risk report. You moved the investments into cash so that they could all be nicked.
It's just a coincidence.
Okay, just take it to the cops. You and Luke were in it together. You two roped me into it.
They recruited me. I recruited Luke. Then we got you involved. That's how it happened.
So you're not the person behind it all?
No. I've never met them. They contacted me online. They're just words on a screen.
Look, I need to know who they are. I need to get in touch with them. Just tell me what you know, or I'm giving them your name.
Don't mention me to MI5 or the cops. They gave me a number to call in case of an emergency.
Yeah. Where's the phone?
It's at home.
Okay, let's go. Now.
자라는 마일로와 함께 그의 저택으로 거침없이 들어섭니다.
You live here?
Yeah.
고급 저택을 목격한 자라의 머릿속에 떠오른 한 가지 의문.
How much did they pay you?
20.
20 million?
Well, how much did they offer you?
100 grand.
Sorry.
Well, why'd you do it?
I want to retire by the time I'm 35, and not a bullshit retirement either. Sure you don't want to drink?
Just the phone.
Called this press conference to address
MI5 will be sending Fish to interview the Chancellor. Darren, you're going with him. Go.
대런을 밖으로 내보낸 리스는 부하 직원에게 지문 감식 결과로 밝혀진 범인의 사진을 건넵니다.
Even if we do manage to find this guy, how are we going to explain how we found him?
We could have him in custody by the end of the day. We find him, we nick him, we leak his name to the press.
What's his bio?
Morgan Traherne, one conviction for armed robbery, daughter in a care home in London Fields.
곧바로 모건의 딸을 찾아갈 리스.
We think he might be in trouble and we want to help him.
Call me, like, a few months ago.
Have you got the call saved in your call history? Why have you got pepper spray?
Temporary till I get my gun. These are scary people we're dealing with. You can have the pepper spray if you want. I got a load of them dotted
Do you know
about.
where Luke is? What they've done with him?
No.
What about all this stuff? Toby Gould and the Chancellor.
They sold it to me as a theft, but this...
Pin?
전화기를 건네받은 자라는 통화 기록을 뒤지기 시작하고
You should get back to the office. It'll look less dodgy.
그런데 그때 문득 무엇인가 생각난 자라.
They said they needed me to verify Luke's information.
Okay.
They already had two people, you and Luke.
I don't know what you're on about.
Well, I clearly wasn't roped into it to verify Luke's data, so I must have been picked for another reason. And the only other reason that I can think of is that they needed a fall guy.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, start talking, Milo, or I call the thieves and tell them you just sold him out, and then I go to MI5 and tell them where I got the phone from.
We were both in on it, okay? Me and Luke both knew they were coming in with guns, but we didn't tell you
Wait,
because...
he knew. Luke knew it wasn't going to be a hack.
We didn't tell you because we knew you wouldn't go along with it. And then Luke just fucking lost it. Even though he knew, he crumbled as soon as he saw the guns. But
Why did you get me involved?
it wasn't us. It was the thieves. They wanted a third person, someone low down the ladder. They asked for profiles of everyone in the back office, personalities, life stories, psychology, and they picked you.
Why?
Had a theory, that's all.
Go on.
They plant evidence, you were the one behind it all, the inside woman, like you said. Then they kill you, make it look like suicide, you know, because of who you are.
Who I am?
Dead-end job, life going nowhere, get wasted every weekend just to cope with it. I mean, scratch the surface, you're like the biggest mess in the office. You're not a happy person, Zara. I mean, you pretend you are, but you're not. You weren't.
I'm going.
You're gonna keep my name out of it, right?
I'm going to do the right thing, Milo.
자라는 스스로 생각해도 답이 보이지 않는 자신의 삶을 어떻게 바꿔야 할지 깊은 고민에 빠졌고 리스는 모건이 딸과 통화했던 발신 위치를 찾아냅니다.
All that countryside around Didcot? That's where I'd hide out.
We need to get hold of number plate data.
그는 루크를 납치한 차량이 버려진 지점과 모건의 통화 위치가 인접하다는 사실을 알아내고 범인의 본거지를 특정합니다.
It's one of these farms. Has to be. This is it.
한편 다른 일당들이 자리를 비우고 모건만이 홀로 남겨진 상황.
They've gone out. We're leaving.
Move! Oh my, what the fuck?
No turning back now. Let's go. Get in.
모건의 눈치를 보던 루크는 한편 자라는 고민 끝에 MI5 국장에게 연락합니다.
I figured out who the head of the Lockwood part of the operation is. They gave me this number. Well, the thieves gave it to them.
Check it.
번호를 확인한 국장은 자라에게 새 신분을 줍니다.
You've got 24 hours to leave the country, and you're not allowed to talk to anyone before you go. Why did you pick us over Reese?
The old one wasn't what I thought it was.
국장이 떠나자 곧바로 엄마에게 전화를 거는 자라.
I want to do a deal.
What the fuck's going on?
Morgan's taking Luke. We need to leave.
Where's the cold wallet?
Where are the codes?
비밀번호를 받자 엄마는 하드웨어 지갑을 넘겨주고
It's a good start.
자라는 지갑을 컴퓨터에 연결하는데
What the fuck? Balance is wiped, saying it's corrupt. Did you try to hack into it? You try and hack into it, it wipes the balance.
No. No! Do something!
Try and hack into it and take all the money for yourself.
There's fucking millions on there! Please, try it again. Come on, try it again. Away! Zara!
그렇게 엄마 집을 나선 자라가 가방을 확인하는데 그 시각 강도들의 은신처에 도착한 리스. 하지만 이미 MI5 요원들이 출동한 뒤였죠.
Why don't we go and find out who it was?
You've caught them?
They'd all cleared out by the time we arrived. How'd you find the place?
Anonymous tip-off. How about you?
Best go and ask your girlfriend.
Zara.
You'd better get back to London so we can suspend you.
리스가 돌아오자 자라가 기다리고 있었습니다.
I already know. So?
MI5 offered me a new life in a different country, and I had to take it, Reese. I found out earlier today why I got roped into all this, and I don't want to be that person anymore.
Is that it?
I got paid £5 million in crypto. I wanted to give you some. You need the money. I figured you could use it to pay off your debts.
You're tying up loose ends. So throw Reese a bit of money for his gambling habit, maybe he won't grass you up.
I'm gonna lose my job because of you.
Don't worry, Zara. I'm not going to grass you up.
How do I know?
You don't. It's going to be hanging over you, always. Have fun wherever the fuck you've bought a ticket to.
그렇게 자라는 리스의 집을 떠나고 짐을 챙겨 영국을 뜨려는데
Move.
자라의 집에는 루크가 잡혀 있었습니다.
I want your cold wallet, passcodes, then I'm gone.
If I give you my cold wallet, you're just going to kill us anyway.
That's not gonna happen.
It's the only way you're getting out of here clean.
Have it your way.
No, wait. I've got a deal. The other insider, he's just got 20 million. I can take you to him, and once you've got it, you let us go.
Give me your cold wallet, and we go get the other 20 mil.
그렇게 자라는 지갑과 비밀번호를 모건에게 넘기고
Pressure has been mounting on the Chancellor throughout the day.
Ace, what's up?
I'm trying to get into my case files.
Yeah, and you're calling me up while suspended, demanding witness files. I can't give them.
Is Fitch there with you?
No.
Fuck!
Reese?
I need our files on Kate Shaw and Milo Carter-Walsh.
I don't have their files, Reese. They're in a ThinkPad in Lockmill.
Can you meet me there?
Lockmill?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just get ready.
그 시각 마일로의 집 앞에 도착한 세 사람.
Milo told me everything. You lied to me, and now we're all going to end up dead.
We're gonna figure something out. You were gonna figure something out. Like that bullshit you came up with Milo and the 20 million. I would never.
Milo does have 20 million. He didn't tell you, did he? It's not nice when a mate lies to you, is it, Luke?
You're coming with me.
한편 은신처를 옮긴 강도들.
We've got another job. We need to leave now.
What about him?
Leave him here. He's not going to survive tonight anyway.
Holy shit.
Safe.
It's in the cupboard.
What's the code?
모건이 한눈판 사이 호신용 스프레이를 챙긴 마일로.
Passcodes.
They're not here.
So where are they?
A few places. Any place you can get to tonight is Lockmill.
And no one's around this time of night. We drive there, walk in, get the codes, walk out.
Got the pass card for the building.
Oh my god.
No passcodes. No need for you two.
Wait, no, I know where the passcodes are. We used to stash stuff when we pick up.
얼마 뒤 로크밀 앞에서 대런을 기다리던 리스.
A further 3 public figures have seen Lockmill Money sent to their offshore tax haven accounts.
대런을 기다리다 세 사람을 본 리스는 곧바로 경찰에 신고하고
Excuse me. What are you doing?
막무가내인 모건은 사무실 안으로 자라와 루크를 끌고 갑니다.
Morgan got here first.
Looks like he's gone to Lockmill.
Let's go.
마일로의 책상에서 트로피 장식물을 들어올리는 루크. 그 안엔 비밀번호를 적은 쪽지가 있었습니다.
Guess this is the part where you lock us up and leave us.
No, it's not.
We had a deal.
칼과 지갑을 뺏은 루크는 자라에게 총을 넘기고
What do we do?
Call the police.
It's dead.
The switch is in reception.
그때 루크의 귀에 엘리베이터 열리는 소리가 들려옵니다.
Luke.
정신을 잃었던 모건이 서서히 몸을 일으키는데
Where are the gold wallets? He's fucked you over again.
He hasn't. He's calling the police.
Have you used a weapon before? Or are you holding it wrong?
Not gonna get me to look away.
Police are on their way, Morgan. You leave now, you can still get away.
그 말을 들은 모건이 사무실 밖으로 나가고
Okay.
How did you know he'd be here?
I'm coming to save you, Zara. I came for Kate and Milo's files.
It was mine, but he wasn't the one in charge. He said there was someone above him that he'd never met. He killed him.
Looks like they were all hiding their money in tax havens.
모건은 지갑을 가져간 루크를 찾고 있었고 다른 강도들도 로크밀에 도착합니다.
That's Morgan's knife. Shouldn't the police have got here by now?
리스는 바깥을 확인해 보려 하는데
Need to leave now.
What happened to hiding?
MI5. They must have intercepted my call. Luke, where's Morgan? Stay here.
Oh, no, don't kill me, please.
What are you doing?
Just get ready to run.
리스는 강도가 쏜 총에 맞으며 치명적인 부상을 입고 맙니다.
Sarah, where's Morgan?
He ran after Luke.
Jackie hasn't left the building.
So you said no one was gonna get hurt, huh? I mean, what are you? Activists, terrorists, what?
You don't know, do you?
Gold wallets.
Yeah.
Morgan, doesn't have to end this way. You think we have any choice in how this ends?
잠시 뒤 총소리가 잦아들고
You need to go and help your friends.
로비에는 강도들의 시체가 널브러져 있었고 1층으로 내려간 루크는 경찰에 신고합니다. 자라는 상처 입은 리스를 부축해 화장실로 피신하고
They're just down here. You can still be in the building.
No, we don't know that.
To get your money back. MI5 will never let you leave here with any of the money.
그의 말이 틀리지 않았음을 깨달은 그녀는 주저앉고 말았죠.
No, fuck that. It's not all been for nothing.
결심을 굳힌 자라는 전기 충격기를 챙겨 지갑을 찾아 나섭니다.
Zara, you got your money. Come get your money. Come get it, office girl. You came back out here for your money. I'm impressed.
What was the point?
Why don't you go ask your policeman friend who you think you are? You fucking office girl.
결국 모건이 자라의 손에 숨을 거두고 맙니다. 그제야 경찰이 도착하고
emergency services arrived, they ascertained there'd been gas leak.
The police have confirmed that Lockmill employee Milo Carter Walsh, who took his own life last week, is now the main suspect in the robbery.
As portions of the stolen pensions money is routed through the tax haven accounts.
Warren from the custodian bank just called. The $4 billion that was stolen, it's just been returned to our bank accounts.
MI5는 모든 혐의를 마일로에게 넘기며 사건을 종결했지만 자라는 이게 어떻게 된 일인지 진실이 궁금했습니다.
Don't you want to know what this was all about?
Someone wanted to fight the system, okay? We've done what MI5 asked for. We've signed their bullshit witness statements, handed over our cold wallets. We blamed the whole thing on Milo. In return, we get to live. And let's just move on from this whole thing.
그리고 살아남았지만 경찰에서 잘리고 도박이나 하고 있는 리스.
Listen, I'm going away and I needed to ask you a question. That night at Lockmill, before Morgan, I asked him what the point of the heist was and he said...
Why don't you go ask your policeman friend?
You serious?
자라는 리스를 의심하고 있었는데
Lost my job, Zara. My debt got sold on and the interest is through the roof. I'm selling my house to pay it off. When it goes through, I'm going to be homeless.
Being a dick, I'm sorry. And I'm sorry about your job and your house.
I don't want you feeling sorry for me, Zara. I saw myself out. But I'm glad you came round. Maybe when you come back, we could...
Sure.
그렇게 자라를 보내고 집으로 뛰어들어가는 리스. 자라는 이미 퇴사한 로크밀로가 개인 짐을 받아가려 하는데
There you go.
Thank you.
Zara!
It's busy today.
Oh, you haven't heard, have you? Money's been returned. $4 billion, all of it. Financial police have turned up. Everybody is going nuts.
그때 갑자기 로크밀에 온 리스. 그리곤 범인을 찾았다며 사무실 안쪽으로 자라를 데려가는데
Reese, what are you doing here?
We know it was you, Darren. The night of the shootout, I asked you to meet me here. You never showed, but the thieves did. How did they know we were going to be here? Then it chimed with something else. How the thieves knew to be at Luke's to abduct him before I got there. But you were with us with Luke when we interviewed him that morning. You saw him falling apart. They need to have money, but hate money. No finance, but hate finance. Who made a fortune managing investments, saw what a shit show it was, and switched sides. You're the financial crime department specialist in this. If something like this happens and you're available, it's a certain you'll get the case. But only if you're free. You should have been here yesterday afternoon.
Was assigned the case an hour ago. Came straight here.
An hour ago?
Yeah.
In the week preceding the heist, you turned down 2 new cases. It's the only time you've ever done that. All this chaos. A fireworks show.
Okay, you're right. It was a fireworks show.
People died. I had to watch people die.
I didn't want that, okay? It was meant to be victimless.
So you just didn't want the bodies piling up because it would distract from your fireworks show.
Tell me why you shouldn't be in prison.
That's got 10 million of Toby Gould's slush fund money on it. Is it good money or bad in that cold wallet? Money's got a moral spark to it. Maybe we just try and do some good with it. Living a good life, supporting good causes, paying off our gambling debt. Take the money. And I'll know you're on side, and you'll never hear from me ever again. All you have to do is let me go.
길바닥에 나앉을 위기인 리스는 고민하기 시작하고
No. We take that money, Reese. We're implicated.
We just turned down 10 million quid.
We don't need his money.
I'm losing my house. I could have paid off my debts.
This way we're free.
I'm not free, Zara.
절망하는 리스의 눈빛을 마주한 자라는 상자 속에서 마일로의 트로피를 꺼내듭니다.
This is 20 million non-Lockmill pounds. It's money Darren paid Milo, except there's no strings attached. Well, it's like you said. You're worried about losing, you'll play badly, and then you'll lose. This is our winnings, Reese.
I can't believe you snuck that out.
I was always going to get searched after the shootout, so I left my cold wallet for the cops to find and stashed this one.
So what are you going to do now?
Something exciting.
그렇게 두 사람이 어디론가 떠나며 스틸이 끝납니다. 지금까지 단 6부작 안에 인생의 허무와 찬란함을 동시에 담아낸 드라마 스틸이었습니다. 첫 화를 재생하자마자 마지막 6화까지 멈추지 않고 정주행하게 만든 작품인데요. 겉보기에 평온해 보이는 일상 뒤에 도사린 날카로운 긴장감, 그리고 인간 내면의 심연을 아주 감각적으로 그려냈습니다. 6부작이라는 짧은 호흡 덕분에 전개는 군더더기 없이 탄탄하며 매 회차 밀도가 상당합니다. 무엇보다 배우들의 압도적인 열연과 결말을 예측할 수 없는 치밀한 전개는 마지막 순간까지 시청자의 시선을 화면에 묶어두는데요. 묵직한 여운과 장르적 쾌감을 동시에 선사하는 웰메이드 스릴러를 찾으신다면 절대 후회하지 않으실 작품 스틸은 아마존 프라임에서 시청하실 수 있습니다.